Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your vacations. Along with enjoying your vacation, I hope you are also completing your summer task regularly. Students, as you know, I am your English teacher, Ma'am Aksa. Students, today our topic is about word synonyms and their Urdu meanings. Students, sit nicely and get ready to learn something new. Are you ready? Let's start. Students, look at the first word. The first word is tall. Tall. Synonym is high. High. Urdu meaning lamba. Lamba. Students, repeat the word tall. Synonym is high. Urdu meaning lamba. Now comes to the next word peaceful. Synonym calm. Urdu meaning pursukoon. Repeat with me. Peaceful, calm, pursukoon. Comes to the next word strips. Strips. Lines. Urdu meaning rangdar dhariyan. The next word is wild. Wild. Untamed. Untamed. Jungly. Urdu meaning jungly. Wild, untamed, jungly. Now comes to the next word live. Live. Stay. Stay. Rehna. Live. Synonym stay. Urdu meaning rehna. Now comes to the next word. The next word is huge. Synonym big or large. Urdu meaning बहुत बड़ा. Repeat with me. Word huge. Synonym big or large. Urdu meaning बहुत बड़ा. Students, this is all for today's lesson. Complete your task neatly. Students, read each word carefully and learn and write on your 3-in-1 register and send a picture of this work to me in my inbox till 7 o'clock today. Thank you everyone. Keep practicing at home. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.